Everyday examples of the conservation of momentum in physics. Introduction. The principle of conservation of momentum is one of the most fundamental and pervasive concepts in physics, with implications that can be seen in everyday life. This principle states that the total momentum of a closed system, a system on which no external forces are acting, is constant unless acted upon by an external force. Momentum, a quantity that is the product of an object's mass and velocity, remains conserved in both elastic and inelastic collisions, provided there is no external influence. Examples. Transportation. One of the most relatable examples of conservation of momentum in daily life is seen in transportation. When vehicles collide, the momentum before the collision is equal to the momentum after the collision. Accident reconstruction experts utilize this principle to determine the speeds of vehicles involved in a crash. Experts can trace the events leading up to an accident by analyzing the aftermath of a collision. This is not just of academic interest, the applications are critical in legal contexts and the ongoing effort to improve vehicular safety standards. Walking. Another way in which conservation of momentum is observed in everyday life is during walking. As a person walks, they push the ground backward with their feet. According to the conservation of momentum, an equal and opposite reaction must occur. The ground pushes the person forward with an equal force, allowing for the forward motion that constitutes walking. This interplay of forces and momentum is a daily reminder of Newton's third law and the conservation principles at play. Sports. In sports, particularly in games like billiards or pool, momentum conservation is not only observed but also strategically used. When a cue ball strikes another ball, momentum is transferred from the cue ball to the other ball, which then moves according to the direction and speed imparted by the cue ball. Mastery over the conservation of momentum allows skilled players to predict and control the outcome of their shots. Conclusion. In summary, the conservation of momentum is a principle that can be observed in many routine activities, from transportation safety to the simple act of walking and in the strategic plays of various sports. It is a testament to the pervasiveness of physical laws in our daily lives.